Are you ready to capture the world in ways you've never seen before? Introducing the GoPro Hero 13, the next-level action camera designed for the bold, the adventurous, and those who live life on the edge. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a storyteller, the Hero 13 is built to push the limits of what's possible. Let's dive into the features that will redefine your adventure. The GoPro Hero 13 takes innovation to the next level with its incredible 6K resolution at 60 frames per second, offering unmatched clarity and crispness. For slow-motion lovers, you'll be able to relive every second of action with 240 FPS in 4K. From the tiniest detail in high-speed action to the vast beauty of landscapes, every frame tells a story. But there's more. The all-new HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization ensures that no matter how rough your ride, your footage will always be steady. Say goodbye to shaky shots and hello to cinematic smoothness. Adventure doesn't stop when the sun goes down. The Hero 13 features an advanced night mode, perfect for capturing low-light moments without compromising on quality. And it's not just video. With a 24-megapixel camera, your still shots will be just as spectacular, whether you're at the top of a mountain or deep underwater. Waterproof up to 33 feet, the GoPro Hero 13 is your perfect companion for the ocean, rivers, or that epic pool jump you've been planning. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, the Hero 13 is more than just an action camera. It's a survival tool. Heat, cold, rain, or snow, it can take it all, ensuring you never miss a moment. GoPro has always been about pushing boundaries, and the Hero 13 takes things to a new level. With enhanced voice control, you can start recording hands-free with just a few simple commands. Perfect when you're in the middle of the action. The Hero 13 also brings connectivity to your fingertips with real-time live streaming in 1080p. Now, share your adventures as they happen, whether you're biking through a forest trail or skiing down slopes. Capture, share, inspire. The GoPro Hero 13 is more than a camera, it's a gateway to telling your story in the most epic way possible. From the highest peaks to the deepest seas, from slow-motion drama to real-time streaming, the GoPro Hero 13 is your key to capturing life without limits. Unleash the adventurer in you with the GoPro Hero 13, because every moment deserves to be legendary. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the latest action gear. Comment below where you'd take the GoPro Hero 13 on your next adventure. Until next time, stay bold and keep exploring.